What if you could see every ad your competitor is running right now? What they're spending on? What's working? What isn't? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that with AdPeekr. AdPeekr is an ad intelligence tool. It lets you search and spy on ads running across platforms so you can see what your competitors are doing, find winning ad angles, and stop guessing what works for your audience. Once you log in, this is your main dashboard. Everything starts here. Here you can see all the brands you're subscribed to and their complete details. You can always change their status to stop receiving alerts, or you can delete your subscriptions by simply clicking here. On the left, you have your navigation. Let's see how you can set up an ad subscription. Click on the ad search, and a screen with a search bar will appear. Search for any brand you would like to set an alert for. Let's set up an alert to help you understand how AdPeekr works. As soon as I press search, I can find multiple handles of Mercedes across the Meta platforms. Let's click on the first one. Here you can see latest ads posted by Mercedes on Meta platforms, the status of the ads, and also the date they were posted on. Once you click on Set Alert and then subscribe, you will start receiving notification every time Mercedes will post new ads on any of their Meta platforms. When you go back to your dashboard, you can see that Mercedes is now visible on the list, along with your other subscriptions. And that's it. You've successfully set up an ad alert in AdPeekr. From now on, you'll be notified whenever this brand launches new ads, helping you stay on top of competitor activity and discover new winning ad strategies before everyone else. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.